Hey guys, it's Brittany and I'm back. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys what I just received in the mail, hot off the press, from LuvMe Hair. Now, I did buy this myself. I'm not sponsored by them. They didn't send me any free product, though I would love some free product from them. I love trying new protective styles. As you can see, I'm a naturalista, so I love to keep my hair put away to protect it, of course. So I wanted to try one of the LuvMe hair products. As you can see, the packaging is beautiful. This is beautiful packaging. I love the ribbon. It's super cute, but let's see what's inside. So this is how it comes packed, and it's very, very cute. I love that they put it in a bag. It has the length. It shows an 18-inch. This is the actual Kinky straight U-part wig. I'm not ready. I don't think I'm ready for a full lace wig unless it's something that's stupid easy to apply. But I'm very comfortable in applying U-part wigs. So I chose an 18-inch Kinky straight U-part wig, and I love the bag that it comes in. It's well protected. And there's also some other goodies in this bag that I was not expecting. So let's get into these goodies. Oh, so first, they added in, and I think it's been a special that they've been running recently. I've been seeing it advertised on Instagram and wherever they're running their ads, but they included a couple of the kind of streak clip-ins. So that's nice, that's cute. I'm excited to try that and throw it in there. They also included what looks like, ooh, there's a free flat iron. This is a gift. This is a gift. When you buy some hair, this is a gift. Not bobby pins, not the little clamp beads, not a crochet needle. This is a gift. And it's cute. I don't know how well it works. I don't normally straighten my hair either. But this is beautiful. The look of it is beautiful. Have you guys received this before? Have you tried the LuvMe Hair flat irons? Do they work well? Do they suck? What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below, but I'm really, really excited and surprised that they actually sent me a full-blown appliance as a free gift. And it also came with a little note as a divider, and it says, "Enjoy your hair journey from now on," and it's from Helena, the founder of LuvMe Hair. So that's cute, and it was a little divider for more gifts. So this is more like the normal gifts that you would think of when you are buying or purchasing hair from these companies online. So of course they sent a wig cap. I think that's standard whenever you buy a wig. But they also sent this cute little pouch. It has a hair clip. This is cute. Super cute. And I think if you buy this at Target, it's $20 for a one-word clip. I just saw them at Target, $20. There is an elastic band that you can attach to your wig for fit and comfort. The bobby pins that always come, bobby pins, obviously. Sis, they sent you tweezers to pre-pluck that wig, pre-pluck them edges and them baby hairs for that wig that you ordered. I got a U-part, so I don't need to pre-pluck, but they wanted to make sure that you were prepared to pluck those edges. Pluck that hairline, sis. And then they sent a nice satin tie so that when you are applying your lace front wig and you trying to lay that wig, tie it down for 10 minutes, 20 minutes or so. Make sure that lace melts. They got you covered. They got you covered. Good job, LuvMe Hair. These are the things that you should be getting with your wigs as a normal inclusion. They want to make sure that you got all the tools that you need to lay your wig appropriately. LuvMe. I got you, LuvMe Hair. And then the last thing is just kind of like an informational kind of little booklet to tell you how to care for your wig, how to use the wig, frequently asked questions, and then your return policy and refund policy and how to contact them as well. So overall, with this unboxing, I'm very surprised at what's included. I am pleasantly surprised that they gave you a complete kit to kind of lay the wig down. They gave you everything but the glue that you would need to lay down a wig. They also sent wonderful additions. They sent a full flat iron, not a mini size flat iron, a full flat iron. And they also sent like some bonus clip-ins if I want to add some color to my U-part wig. So now let's take a look at the actual wig and what it looks like. Okay, so it is in a net, protecting the hair, making sure it doesn't get all tangled and nasty in transit to you. It also has kind of stuffing so that the wig doesn't lose its shape while it's in transit to you. It doesn't have a nasty smell. There's nothing funky about it. It just smells like hair should smell. No special scents, no fragrances added, and it's extremely soft. Look at this. Baby. Okay. I have felt and used and seen a lot of kinky straight hair, kinky straight wigs, clip-ins, etc., etc. I've never felt a kinky straight wig that felt so soft. Usually it feels wiry. Usually you can feel the crimps. A lot of people that make this hair, I assume they think that crimping hair makes it look like kinky straight hair, and that's not the case. This looks like some blow-dried natural hair. There are some crimps in it, but for the most part, this looks like my hair when I blow dry it straight. This is beautiful. Look at this. Look how this moves. Oh, I'm so excited to install this. I love this. When I look at the inside, the construction of the wig cap, there are 3 clips that go around your U part, and there are straps on each side so that you can either tighten or loosen however you want to make it fit for your head. There is an additional clip at the base where your nape should be to secure it. And the wefts are sewn with care. This is quality sewn. It has a lace, beautiful lace, if you can see that, around the U part. So this is definitely created with quality in mind. First of all, I'm very surprised. Usually when you see these Instagram companies, the product that they promote is not necessarily the same quality of product that you receive, but I've never felt kinky straight hair on a wig that looked like this but felt like this with looking like this. I am pleasantly surprised. Have you guys purchased from LuvMe Hair? What was your experience with them? I am very, very interested in knowing how you guys feel about the company. What are the products that you try from them, and what was your experience with the product? I would love to hear all about it. I am going to install this, and I'll do a video of my installation of this. And we'll see how that part goes. But right now I am very happy with my purchase. I bought it while they were having a 30% off sale. So I got 30% off of this beautiful product. And I'm very excited to try it out. Okay guys, so that is it. That was everything that came in the box with my LuvMe Hair wig. Again, I purchased a 18-inch kinky straight U-part wig, and I'm very excited to try it out. I'll be posting a video of me actually installing the wig and giving my initial thoughts on it. But I would love to hear from you guys, your thoughts on the company, your thoughts on any products that you've purchased from them. What are your favorite companies that you purchase from in terms of wigs and U-parts and things like that? I would love to hear all about it. And as always, if you like what I give you, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you hit that like button, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.